Morning, dear student. Today we study lesson number 4, page number 29. Topic that is solver और insoluble. Soluble means जो घुलनशील होते हैं. Insoluble means जो अनघुलनशील होते हैं, जो पूरी तरह से घुलते नहीं है किसी चीज में. Collect sample of some solid substance such as sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand and sawdust. ठीक है, ये सैंपल हमने लिए हैं. सो शुगर जो है वो पूरी तरह कम्प्लीटली डिजोल्व होती है वाटर में. सॉल्ट आल्सो डिजोल्व इन वाटर, बट चॉक पाउडर, सैंड एंड सॉडस्ट आर नॉट डिजोल्व इन वाटर. ओके, फॉर टू दिस एक्टिविटी वी टेक सम 5 glass or beakers. ओके, फिल ईच वन ऑफ देम अबाउट 2/3 ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, उन सभी बीकर्स में हमने जो है वो वाटर डाला है 2/3 की क्वांटिटी में. एड स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर टू दी फर्स्ट ग्लास एंड सेकंड ग्लास में हमने डाला है सॉल्ट. ओके, एंड add small amount of other substances into the other glasses. So stir the content of each of them with a spoon and wait for few minutes. Observe what happened to the substance added to the water. ठीक है, जब हमने वाटर में वो सब्सटेंस ऐड कर देना है तो उसके बाद जब हमने उसको स्टीर करना है तो उसके बाद वो पूरी तरह से उसमें डिसॉल्व होता है कि नहीं होता है. ओके, तो salt disappear completely in water, sugar also disappear completely in water, sand do not disappear completely, chalk powder do not disappear completely, sawdust do not disappear completely. Okay, so you will notice that some substances are completely dissolved or disappear. They are called soluble substance. They are soluble in water, and other substance they do not mix with water and do not disappear even after stir it for some time. So they are insoluble in water. Okay, so water play a very important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large amount of substance. Do liquid also dissolve in water. ओके, सो कुछ सब्सटेंस जो है वो कम्प्लीटली डिसॉल्व होते हैं वाटर में. सी इन एक्टिविटी नंबर 5. इन दिस एक्टिविटी वी टेक सम विनेगर, लेमन जूस एंड मस्टर्ड ऑयल एंड कोकोनट ऑयल. सो विनेगर इज आल्सो कम्प्लीटली mixed with water, lemon juice also mixed with water, but mustard oil, coconut oil and kerosene oil, they not mixed with water, they float on the surface of water. Okay, so take a glass and tumbler and fill it half with water. Add a few spoonful of one liquid to this and stir it well. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Observe whether the liquid mixed with water. Repeat the same with other liquid, as many different liquid as available to you. ठीक है, तो आप देखते हो कि ये जो लिक्विड है, कुछ लिक्विड जो है वाटर के साथ अच्छी तरह से मिक्स हो जाते हैं और कुछ अच्छी तरह से मिक्स नहीं होते हैं. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज ए टेबल. देयर आर गिवन सम लिक्विड्स. ओके, सो विनेगर मिक्स वेल, लेमन जूस आल्सो मिक्स वेल, मस्टर्ड ऑयल and coconut oil not mixed with the water, kerosene oil also not mixed with the water, it float on the surface of water. Okay, so next is gases. Some gases are soluble in water and others are not. You see, for example, oxygen gas dissolved in water is very important for the survival of animal, plant and that live in water. Objects may float or sink in water. While doing this activity number 4, you might have noticed that some substances are float on the surface of water. Those substances are insoluble in water, insoluble solid. They are separate out from water and float on the surface of water. Other substances that soluble, they not float on the surface of water. Okay, you have seen, for example, ice float on the surface of water. Ship also float on the surface of water, but a small needle, stone, some heavy substances are also fall in the surface of the water. For example, leaves fall on the surface of pond, they float on the surface of water. Stone fall on into the pond. and few drops of honey also fall into a glass of water, and what happened to all these? Okay, so these are some testing material. Those objects fall out or sink in the water. Next topic is transparency. Transparency बिल्कुल पारदर्शिता जिसको हम बोलते हैं ट्रांसपेरेंसी. कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट जो हैं वो बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट, तो उनके आर पार जो है वो हम इजिली देख सकते हैं. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल दो सब्सटेंसेस और मटेरियल थ्रू विच थिंग्स कैन बी सीन easily, they are called transparent. For example, glass, water, air. So you have to write the definition of this transparent. Next are opaque. These are some substances through which you are not able to see. These material are called opaque. जिनके आर पार आप बिल्कुल नहीं देख सकते उनको बोलते हैं opaque. So cardboard, wood, metal are example of opaque material. Is it clear? You have to also write the definition of this opaque and examples of opaque material also. Okay.